I want you to practice with me now. I'm going to coach you through it. I want you to do a little thing with me, inshallah. I guarantee you, bi'idhnillah, that if you do it correctly, by Allah, whatever worry you have will either all go away or you will feel the heaviness of it decreased a lot. Are you ready? Let's give it a try, and you can practice this yourself, inshallah ta'ala. So there are 3 steps to it. If you want to close your eyes, you can do that if it works better for you. If not, just focus. This is how to relieve all your worries, your fears, and receive all your desires and prevent whatever you fear. Number 1, I want you to identify something that you want or something that you want Allah to take it away from you. Anything. Could be something that is harming you, worrying you, causing you distress, making you think about it a lot. Maybe there is something that you desire, that you think is good for you. What is it? Have you identified it? Now that you've caught it, hold on to it. This is now what you're going to do in step 2 with it. Number 2 is the very important part. You have to do this properly, sincerely, honestly, and with full conviction, with full trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you've got to let go completely. You've got to be honest. If you don't do that, it's not going to work. Number 2, what you've got in your mind now, you identified. That one thing, Now I want you to give it to Allah. You can even say it with your mouth, or you can mumble it. Just say it. Say, oh Allah, I give it to you. I don't want it on my shoulder anymore. You can say a word in Arabic, Allahumma inni fawwadtu amri ilayk. Or you can say an easier word, fawwadtu amri ilallah. You can even say it easier. Ufawwidu amri ilallah. I entrust my matter to Allah. I give it to Allah. Wa ufawwidu amri ilallah. I give it to you, O Allah. No. You've got to really give it to Him. And you've got to give it to Allah in a sense like this. You are weak. You've lost all power. You don't know what to do. But you truly and honestly know that Allah will know what to do with it, and you don't care what He does with it because you know that He truly and honestly and will have all the power and the knowledge to do the best for you with it, whether you know it or don't know it. Whether you expect it or don't expect it, you really have to let go of it, get rid of all your expectations and give it to Allah. Say, oh Allah, this is yours. I trust you to do anything that you know is good with it and guide me with it. Which means you have to accept in the long term whatever comes out. Ya Allah, I entrust you with it. I rely on you. I trust in you in every way with no doubt. And I'm happy now. I know that it's now with you. If you've done it correctly, you should right now feel a little bit of heaviness off your shoulder. I give it to you, Ya Allah. Tawakkaltu alayk. I really entrust you, Ya Allah, with all my power, all my belief. Hasbi Allah. Allah is enough for me. I don't need anyone else. Things are going to be good from here on because they're with Allah.